Hey, what's up guys? Hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So this is actually the same day as me pulling the oil pan off the engine to bring to the shop, but I'm going to be doing the second part of the video because it's been kind of dry on content and I just need to upload more videos because there hasn't been really much to film anymore. So I have some stuff coming for the Blue M3 that's in front of me, and I have, like the video suggests, I have a lip coming in today into a shop that I need to go ahead and pick up. So if you remember, or if you saw my review video of this M3, if you haven't, go ahead and check it out. I had a lip on there, but it was painted black, and reason that it was black is because I kind of hydroplaned and I hit a curb and the whole lip just kind of got smashed up and the car kind of got messed up as well. So ever since then, the lip hasn't been the same, and more recently I actually broke the lip off completely, and so I went ahead and ordered a different one. So that's what I'm going to be picking up today. So the lip delivery came in good. It's back there. Sorry I have to yell, there's no AC in the car. I think that's like my favorite thing to do, driving by a car and just letting it go right next to it. Man, that never gets old. Goodness, I love this car. So I actually already opened the lip in the shop, but I just gotta get a really good look at it. Get it. Oh, that thing looks so good. Oh, that looks so good. I have their side skirt extensions and I have their carbon fiber diffuser as well. And this is just gonna tie up the rest of the car together because right now it just kind of looks incomplete without it. Hey, what's up guys? It's a few hours later, but I have the car behind me and I have the lip on the bottom as well, and I'm getting ready to put the lip on. So what I'm gonna need to do right now is I'm gonna need to drill the holes. Well, first of all, I'm gonna need to find exactly where to put the holes, drill them, and then I need to find a bunch of hardware. I'm thinking maybe like 7, 8 holes maybe, I don't know. So put those holes on, put the 3M right here, if I can find it of course, and I think it should hold nicely because my other lip was literally held on by wood screws and it was working just fine, so there's no reason why that shouldn't work perfectly fine as well. So in order to make my job a lot easier, I'm gonna go ahead and pull off these moldings right here, and that exposes 4 bolts, 2 over here and 2 over here. Well, not bolts, it exposes 4 nuts that I can unscrew, and it's gonna take this whole bumper assembly off, and I can just lay that down somewhere, and that should make my job a whole lot easier to go with the bottom right here. I win. Cool. So funny story, actually before I debated just driving without a bumper because that looks freaking aggressive and mean, but I decided that I'm better than that and I should probably stay sleeper boy. Okay, change of plans. I'm not gonna use the hardware. I just figured out that the old screws are on, so that's probably what I'm gonna end up using because honestly, they hold on pretty nice and tight. Like, I had no issues with it. The lip didn't sag, it didn't flop down. It sat perfectly. The only thing that I'm gonna do differently this time is I'm gonna use 3M tape, the double-sided stuff, because it's gonna keep that, it's gonna give that nice bonding and it's gonna look sick. A quick little update. I put 3M strips down. These are thin, but they should do the job. I just put 2 of them in the front and in the back so that it's, I don't know, we'll see how it works. Obviously, I'll let you guys know if it doesn't, but let's get ready to throw that lip on. Okay, and about 12 wood screws later, the lip is on. It's sitting nice and sturdy. The thing that I noticed about these lips is that usually it won't fit on one side, like right here, but then on the other side, it'll be like either near perfect or right on the dot. My older lip was actually not good at all. Like, it was on both sides, it was like, I think this much off, like a ½ inch. Another thing that I noticed is if you look at the structure of the lip, it kind of tends to move up. I don't know why that is. It's always been like that, to be honest. It's not when you put it on, it's always been like that. So now I'm ready to throw the whole bumper assembly onto the car. the final products. Finally got the lip on, everything's all said and done, and it's 12:45. I don't know what took me so long. I mean, I was looking for a bunch of hardware, but then I decided to use wood screws, so it's whatever. I'm honestly really happy with the results. That's how it used to look before, but you know, my dumb head decided to ruin it, and basically I just told myself I needed the carbon fiber back. But I'm really happy with how it looks. Looks really clean, completes the rest of the car, because without it before, it would just kind of be incomplete. It'd just be kind of the bumper being up top, and then the side skirt extensions would lower the car in the center, and then in the back I had the 2 diffusers that would also make it look a little lower, and then the front just kind of, it didn't look right at all. So now that the lip is back on, I'm gonna have a fear of going up and down driveways again, because this thing used to scrape a ton. And I need to actually reinforce this one because the last one was a little weak and it was flimsy. This one's actually a little better, I've noticed, but the bumper is still crap and it shakes. So maybe I might loosen up the bumper just so it has a little give so that it doesn't crack fully. Really quickly, just wanted to see what I'm working with here. I mean, that's not too bad. That's a good 4 fingers. Yeah, this is pretty much the same. That's not too bad. And this isn't even one of the lowest driveways or highest driveways, so I mean, it should be fine. Okay, made it off in one piece, and the front end is semi-complete. I still need the fog lights, I need the brake ducts to be put in again, and I gotta figure something out with that grill because I decided that I do not want this thing just flopping around. But as for now, thank you for watching. Go ahead and click that like button, click the subscribe button, and stay tuned for my future videos. Peace out.